Hey guys, today we got a 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite. It is the 2906BS. You are at 35 feet, 5 inches long, width of 8 feet, and the height of 11 feet, 3 inches. Dry weight, 8,559 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 9,900 pounds. Nice looking camper made by Rockwood, one of my favorites. So let's go take a look at it. Hey guys, it's Dalton with RV Wholesalers back again with you. Today we're going to walk around the 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2906BS. Up front here you got the electric power tongue jack, which is standard on all Rockwoods, 30-pound propane tanks, and on this model we have the electric stabilizer jack, so you just press a button and it lowers those down for you so you don't have to get down and be tired before you start camping and hand crank everything. Right now I'm outside the camper on the entertainment center. TV mount. The TV that comes with the camper moves directly outside, plugs right in here, as well as 2 outside speakers so you can enjoy everything while you're outside, watch the football game, Major League Fishing channel, whatever you want to do so you can catch up on your fishing, learn how to actually catch some fish, all enjoy it while you're underneath the awning. Great thing about this camper is because of its length, Rockwood kind of thought everything out so you can put a second awning on it as well as the frameless windows, and you can basically enjoy the entire length of it while being underneath the shade and avoiding the heat from the summer and or just relaxing. Here we are at the back of the camper. Ladder to get up on top so you can do all your inspections and everything. Of course you got a backup camera up top, so, the prep, so you can watch everything that goes on behind you. And then of course you have your spare tire, and Rockwood puts a cover on most of them so that way it doesn't get dry rotted or anything faster from the heat of the sun. Moving inside the Rockwood 2906BS, as soon as you move to the left, you got a nice countertop over here with the sink inside of it, dual basin, nice covered drying rack over top of there. Keep everything nice and clean. And of course, these are solid surface countertops, so if you're using it as a cutting board or anything like that, you're not going to cut into it and damage it. Nice and sturdy there. Regular microwave, convection microwave up here, so it's not your standard one. It'll actually heat up things a little bit faster. You can cook a little bit more sturdy foods. Cabinetry up here is real wood cabinetry, and this is the autumn wood color. You can also go to the Newport ash color. It's a little bit brighter. Sometimes makes the camper a little bit feel a little bit bigger. Over here you got the 3-burner stove over here with the oven below it for all your cooking needs, and of course solid surface countertops all the way around. Nice island in the middle with plenty of storage in it. Right beside it you have the 12-volt refrigerator, and of course you can do gas electric, but the 12 volts nice because as soon as the battery is on, it is cooling everything while you're going down the road, so everything's nice and refrigerated when you get there. Here we got the inside entertainment center. Nice big fireplace underneath so you can stay warm during the cooler months. Plenty of storage underneath there for any kind of DVDs or anything you want to watch. Of course it's got an incorporated Bluetooth system and all that, so that way you can play the sound outside the camper as well as inside. Comes with a TV, and of course hidden thing with this TV, plenty of storage behind it, so that way you can hide any kind of Xbox, or if you are a concealed carry owner like I am, you can put any kind of firearm back there. Just hide it. Back here is one of the first, the big couch back here. It is a tri-fold sofa, so it folds all the way out into a full-size queen bed. This is the stone color, so it's a little bit gray. Pretty nice and comfy. Plenty of sleeping space if you have friends over. Directly across from the entertainment center, you have theater seating. Of course, this theater seating, just like all Rockwoods. Nice big armrest with cup holders in it, and of course it has storage in the middle because it's powered. Powered recliners in it, so super comfy. Nice to sit and watch the football game. This specific camper here has the freestanding table and chairs, so if you're big like me, you don't have to try to squeeze in between anything. If you're a little bit smaller and you would prefer the booth dinette, so you have a little bit more sleeping space because it turns into a bed, you can absolutely do that. But just like me, I prefer the freestanding table and chairs, so you have a little bit more movement. Bathroom to this camper is as soon as you walk in the door. Plenty of storage in here for all your linens, bathrobes, or anything like that. Pure porcelain toilet, so no issues about expanding, contracting during the weather, cracking, anything like that. Of course, you got the shower miser like all Rockwoods. Nice skylight over the tub, plenty of headroom. Nice little bathroom for you to enjoy. As soon as you move into the bedroom, got a nice little inner cabinetry here. TV backer up here. And of course, your solar controllers right here on the wall. Rockwoods, all 2021s and newer, have a solar panel standard on top. You can opt for a second one. That's where you control everything is in your bedroom. Big cabinetry up here for you to store all your stuff in, or your wife to put her dress in. More storage over here. They come standard with a queen size bed, but you can opt to a king size bed, what's like what in this camper. Nice big bedroom, plenty of room. Again, this was the 2022 Rockwood 2906 Ultra.
Could have went with it.
No. Again, this was the 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2906. My name is Dalton. I work with RV wholesalers. You can get a hold of me at 877-877-4494, extension 153. You're probably watching this on YouTube. Give us a subscribe or a like. That way you can watch a couple more campers, find something you like. Give me a call right now, and we'll find you a camper you like.